your candy. Oh, put it there. Put it in your pumpkin. Put it in your pumpkin. Wow. No.
Come here. Hey,
Those are
no.
the candies we're gonna
No.
give to the kids.
No.
Don't put it in your pumpkin.
Come here. Come here.
Say trick or treat. Say trick or treat. Huh?
Say trick or treat first.
Say trick or treat first. Come on. Say trick or treat. Hi Ben, you don't like your costume? Ben, you look so sad. Yes. What's Ben's costume? Huh? What's that? Say trick or treat. Trick or treat. Say trick or treat.